Right, foundations. We're going to construct a bisector, right? So we must first draw our angle. So it's a 120-degree angle. So we're first going to draw our arm, right? I'm just going to make my end there so I can put my protractor on that vertex. Vertex is where the angle is forming. Right, I want to draw 120 degrees, so I make sure my protractor is on this arm. Right, then I measure 10, 20, 30. Remember, you always count from the 0. You can't count from the 180. So from the 0, I'm going all up to 120. Make a dot. And then I join my vertex and the point. That is my 120-degree angle. Now to bisect, I must cut this angle in half. You get marks for constructions. So if you erase your constructions, you lose marks because that is a construction. You show them how that you construct that bisector. So I'm going to take my compass, and it doesn't matter how big your angle is, I'm just going to draw just a arc. Do you see? I just drawing an arc, and I intersect both arms. So do you see it's intersecting there and there. Then I put my sharp end. I make it a bit bigger. Right, I don't want to have it the same size. Then it's too small. So I make it bigger. I put my sharp ends on the intersections. Right? And I make another arc. Right? Oops, sorry, my hand's in the way. Make one arc. Then I take my, don't close or open it, keep it that same size. Put it on the other intersection and make my other arc. You get one mark for the arc, one mark for this arc, one mark for this arc, and then you're going to get a mark for your bisector. So I join my vertex. I'm going to do this intersection, and that's going to cut my 120 degrees in 60 and 60. Let's check. I didn't use my protractor. I just construct a bisector, and there's the 60 degrees. So you can bisect any angle. You draw an arc, doesn't matter how big. Make your second pair of arcs a bit bigger, but it must be the same size. Where they intersect, you draw an arc and another arc. Well guys, I hope you understand this one.